Welcome to Hungry Kids channel. Today, we've set our goal to make Daddy like natto, a food he has always been reluctant to taste. First, let's present it to him as it is without any alterations or modifications. Mommy knows how to skillfully remove the thin papers from natto without any of the grains sticking to it. Gently grasp the edge of the paper, close the lid again, and pull it gently. Wow! She learned that natto should be mixed more than 50 times, and she always makes sure to mix it thoroughly. This process promotes the fermentation process, leading to a creamier and smoother consistency.
常備してあるニンニク醤油を入れます。
Mommy always keeps a jar of garlic soy sauce in the fridge. This is incredibly convenient and pairs well with a variety of dishes. Baby Adi seems a bit unhappy today and craves Mommy's attention.
よく混ぜて終わり。
Natto is already ready.
これ納豆食べようね。
We know natto is delicious, but we will show Daddy how to eat. How about you, Adi? Of course he loves it.
おいしい？おいしい人。Okay, Daddy's time. Daddy's first time of natto. 私何個作ってる？
Daddy's reaction is quite subtle and nuanced, but definitely not his favorite. Okay, now Mommy is preparing natto fried rice in hopes that Daddy might enjoy it. Saute the garlic in olive oil and add an egg, rice, natto, and green onion. Mix all together. Add dashi, which is Japanese soup stock, to the mixture. Then a little bit of soy sauce.
Smells good.
How is it?
That's good.
He's taking a second bite. Yay, success! Natto is expensive here in the US, so Mommy usually makes it by herself. Soak the soybeans for a day. Boil it and remove the impurities. again until the beans become soft. Place the natto in the pan. Adi is chasing after Mommy, holding his plate and requesting more food. Add boiled beans and mix them together. Mama uses a special pot to maintain the warm temperature, but you can use a regular pot and place it in an insulated bag or box with good heat retention. Let it sit for a half day to allow the fermentation process to take place.
どうできたかなできたかな見てみるよ。納豆できたかな。おー、ほら納豆菌がね、ほらできてる。
It looks fantastic. There's a significant amount of natto bacteria present. What a success!
納豆ご飯できたよ。ちょうだい。ちょうだいして。ちょうだい。はい、どうぞ。
Natto and rice is a popular breakfast choice for kids in Japan.
はい。せーの。いただきます。おかわりたくさんあるからね。
We don't understand why Daddy doesn't appreciate this delicious food. Mommy is not a big fan of Adi eating natto because it's annoying to clean up afterwards. Looks like he wants more.
おかわり？おかわり欲しい人。おかわり？あ、おか入れてあげる。
He wants more, but he doesn't let the plate go.
もっと入れるの？欲しいの。はい、どうぞ。
Rice. I think he wants more natto, not rice. stealing mine.
納豆なくなっちゃったの？納豆貸して。じゃあママ入れてあげる。
顎についてるよ。
はい、それ貸して。それ入れてあげるから貸して。それに触っとって。入れてね、ここにね。納豆も欲しかった。
そうね、バネバ。Abby and Daddy is so opposite.
ずーっと終わらないので、バイバーイ。バイバーイ。
Thank you for watching.